Today's experience is very nice. It's pretty much like that we are doing activities before. We are getting a platform where we can interact with the students and observe them while doing their activities. They are showing their different skills like team building, decision making. They are interacting with each other and have fun while exploring different concepts within the activities like shapes. They are also involved kinesthetically to do different activities. So I like about experiential learning is that it gives platform to the students where they can do the things by themselves and they can act according to their ideas, and they can reflect on that. They can analyze the things and then they can give their ideas a way of exploration, and then they can experience the thing by doing different hands-on activities. In conventional learning, students are just given the theories and I have to just absorb it and just read it out. But in experiential learning, we introduce the topics through different clues. Then we'd introduce the topic, and then by doing different hands-on activities, they just learn about the concepts and then they come to the conclusion by their own experiences. Like if there is a topic of reflection of light, so first they are exploring with laser light at what angle they are inclining the angle, and then at what angle it gets reflected. So they are coming to the conclusion by their own experiences, not just they are given the formula that angle I equals to angle R. So they are just experiencing it by doing the activities. Starting is always a struggle, but when we tackle with different students, we just reflect on whatever the things they are doing, and then we also came to conclusions at how we can solve these problems. Then after each and every year, we are getting better and better and getting nice experiences.
I've been into the teaching profession for the past 8 years, and this is the first time we are taking experiential learning. The best part about experiential learning is that every child has his or her own experiences, though the activities may be same, but the experiences are totally different. And the best part is how we build upon those experiences to take the lessons forward. The activities are generally age appropriate and what the students would enjoy, and based upon a concept, and the things are built around that particular concept. That is what experiential is about. And another fact about that is children do not have to actually use the textbook for reading and learning. It is more as a tool. We can just read them as help books, and experiences that are provided outside the classrooms works wonders. That is what experiential learning is all about, and that is what I like the most about it.
When we started, it was just a rote learning. Children opening their textbooks, going through, and we giving the question answer. This is how even we learned. Now everything happens by doing. Now when we were looking at the reflections also, the children, they were able to relate the shapes with the surroundings. They tell us that where can they find a circle. When they are talking about sun, they are talking about the shapes. When they are talking about colors, they are talking about vegetables also, the fruits also, flowers also. Why? Because they are moving out in the nature, experiencing everything on their own. They are immersing into an experience basically. They are talking about their, all their senses are being used here. Their sense of smell, sight, their taste buds, everything. We relate each and every lesson and concept to an experience. I was totally amazed when we started with this. I never expected such kind of reflections coming from children. That really matters. That our children, they are thinking deep, they are using their critical skills, thinking, and then coming up with the answers, their responses. So this is how experiential learning works. We are not just jumping onto the concept and telling the children the definition and telling them to, yes, you mug it up and you present it. No, it's not at all like that. It's always you build upon the concept right from the grassroots level to leaving it to them where they want to move. It's entirely their choice. Our children, they want to explore, and we are the ones who can give them that kind of opportunity. We are the ones, the school, the teachers. This is the kind of experience which we want our children to go through to build upon a concept, to understand a concept.